I have to say they all stood out, but the one thing that really impressed me was Little Phoenix because of the many different applications that it could be used for, and such a simple concept but very impressive.
There were quite a couple of groups that I felt were very strong in their game design. They had a very good grasp of the concepts of game design, such as usability, but also very high quality coding. I did like the fact that a lot of the teams had experimented with VR and other devices like Leap Motion. A lot of the work that I've seen was very interesting for first years. I found that they made very good progress from that point of view. Some of the third years that I've seen have done very good quality work, and I felt that they are ready for the industry.
Absolutely. I've seen some surprisingly polished student projects. When you hear student projects, you think something that's going to be a little bit flaky or a little bit buggy. But actually, I've seen projects that would not look out of place in. I would not be ashamed to show to some management at my office and say, hey, this is a solution that I'd like to put in. Very well delivered and all round some very high passions as well. People very excited by the technology that they've been learning, which again is always refreshing.
Over the years, I've seen the skill set actually grow, and again this year the skill set of the students upstairs is good, and it's something we would welcome in our company to have some of them on board as placement students.
There's not much of a jump from where they are now to going into the industry. They just need to make sure that their work and their portfolio expresses that their desire to work in a certain field, in a certain area of the games industry.
Some of the solutions I've seen today, I've seen people have got a real understanding for particular user interface and how people are going to use their systems, and they've given some real thought for that. And again, talking to them at depth about how they've maybe interacted with their database or how they came up with a decision. It's very clear that they've had the process and the user at mind, and that is always relevant for any solution that I'm developing.